Now, the next question we are going to look at is the mass of an atom is determined by what? The mass of an atom is determined by what? Is it its ionization potential, its electrochemical potential, the number of protons, neutrons and protons, number of neutrons and electrons. Of course, the mass of an atom is determined by the number of neutrons and protons. So this is coming under structure of an atom. This is a straightforward question. Now, which of the following is neutralization reaction? Addition of chloride chloride solution. B. Addition of 1095 acid to the distilled water. Addition of 1095 acid to tetraoxo-6 acid. So I'm having acid. No. Option D. Addition of 1000 nitrate 5 potassium nitrate to potassium nitrate solution. No. Addition of 1000 nitrate 5 acid and potassium hydroxide solution. We're having a base and acid HNO3. That's for option E. HNO3 plus what? Sodium potassium hydroxide. We are going to have what? KNO3 plus H2O, which is what? Salt and water, which is the product of neutralization reaction. This makes our option E to be the correct answer. So this is coming under acid, base, and salt. A jet plane carrying 300,000 kg of 18 burns off all the gas forming water and carbon dioxide. Now, if the carbon dioxide is expelled and the water form is condensed and kept on board the plane, then the gain in weight is what? Now, a jet plane carrying 300,000 kg of what? Of 18 burns off all the gas forming water, forming water and carbon dioxide. Now, if the carbon dioxide is expelled and the water formed is what? Condensed and kept on board the plane, then the gain in the weight is what? Now we are going to have, let us write the equation of the reaction. 2C2H6, that's 18, reacting with oxygen. We are going to have 4CO2 plus 6H2O. Down 1 molar of C6H2, sorry, C2H6 require what? 3 molar H2O. Then we have 1,000 100 metric ton meter C2H4, C2H6, you give us 100,000 m of H2O. Therefore, concentration of H2O now will be what? 300 times 18, which is what? 5400. Now, gain in weight now is going to be what? It's going to be 54000 minus 3000, which is what? 2400 kg. That's option D, the correct answer. Option D. So this under hydrocarbon.